Hi, this is pandan plant. Its leaves are used in cooking. It gives a sticky rice smell when cooked. Next, I have butterfly pea plants, blue tea plants, and flowers. With these two ingredients, I'll show you how to cook blue rice. Just this much flowers will work. Wash and rinse. Wash and strain the rice. Break the pandan leaves and put it into the pressure cooker. Add the blue tea flowers along and the rice. Add water. Place the lid and pressure cook twice. Ready here. Wow, it looks so good. Serve it with anything you like. That's meat. One is steamed green leaves, and then the other there in the smaller bowl is Chinese allium chutney. Thank you all for watching. Please do like and subscribe.